the Busoga were asking me, where is our Kyabazinga? For God's sake, it's not my work to tell you where Kyabazinga is. Kyabazinga ni Kyabazinga wa Busoga, Afrimesa wa Dayenda, Yangiresa wa Dakozechi. Mulekera wotu ni nyiriranga. Mulekere kwawo. Bano ni Kyabazinga. Azirawo.
Dage kubo muno kadigido na gutaimemu afumvuwe koba ise bantu Gabula Nadiope okuna tudoge baba tereire Gabula tereire Busoga tereire ali mwala mula tereire tudoge baba tereire ali muntebe ye uyo baba uyo ali kwikonero uyo iseipe uyo ali muntebe ye Busoga banange mwebala okusaba musala daipe mwaba kya mugaso twasabanga omusana n'obwire okukya nga tusabira Obusoga okuyira awalala anti ebyobuwangwa byali biri kusaanawo aye Katonda yamala yakkiriza Busoga yatereera tuli otiise tetwisa kirala watereera kutya Abasoga nsete twisa kirala twayira walala bwe tubona baba nga tumwaniriza ise bantu Gabula Nadiope koba inirya mpitito lya kalanga kalera bana atafumbisa mperere baba lwayanika amati gatona oyo ikunganya n'ababise baba ali kutonya amazigani mutonya musayi zowa mutesi Dage kubo muno kadigido na gutaimemu afumvuwe koba ise bantu Gabula Nadiope okuna tudoge baba tereire Gabula tereire Busoga tereire ali mwala mula tereire tudoge baba tereire ali muntebe ye uyo baba uyo ali kwikonero uyo iseipe uyo ali muntebe ye baba uyo ali kwikonero uyo iseipe uyo ali muntebe Busoga banange mwebala okusaba musala daipe mwaba kya mugaso twasabanga omusana n'obwire okukya nga tusabira Obusoga okuyira awalala anti ebyobuwangwa byali biri kusaanawo aye Katonda yamala yakkiriza Busoga yatereera tuli otiise tetwisa kirala watereera kutya Abasoga nsete twisa kirala twayira walala bwe tubona baba nga tumwaniriza ise bantu Gabula Nadiope koba inirya mpitito lya kalanga
Katuukiro wa Busoga n'abamyuka bo nga n'okuli Oweekitiibwa Osman Ahmed Nur, balangira ab'amasaza mu bitiibwa byammwe, ba ministers ab'obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga, ba district education officers abali wano olwaleero, ba head teachers mu bitiibwa byammwe eby'endawulo, aba primary ne secondary schools, abalangira n'abambeeda, speaker wa Busoga lukiiko na buli muntu mu kitiibwa kye. All protocol observed. Kodeyo basebo ni banyabo. Ndija kwogera mu Lusoga lutono ng'Oluzungu lungi. Ekirungi nimwe beene abatusomesa. Ntwala omukisa guno okubeebaza okuyida mu bungi mutwe. Mwebale ino, mwebalire irala. Nayongera okubeebaza okwongera ku iddoboozi lya Katikkiro n'abogezi abandi ababayirewo nti mwebale kuba bazaire ate mwebale kusomesa abaana, mwebalire irala. Omulimu gw'omukola munene nnyo era n'oguzimbye eiwanga lyaife n'ensi yonna yonna, ogw'okusomesa abaana, ogw'okuba abazaire ye bali, n'abantu okuba nti musobola okubafuula ab'obuvunaanyizibwa. Ak'enswiso mbeebaza ino era okusomesa, kubanga abamu ku ife naddala ife abalangira ab'ekiteetezo kino nimwe abatufiire okusoma bwe tuliko olwaleero n'abantu ab'obuvunaanyizibwa. Mwebale ino. Ife abandi tuli kusoma kubanga nimwe beene abatutegeka, nimwe beene abatutaamu ebiseera, ate nimwe beene abatufuula kye tuli. N'olwekyo mbeebaza ino. Eri ba Musaayi Muto Wemboine aba Victoria Nile Primary School, naidukira nti nasomerayo P1 P3 over 1995 mpaka 1997. So bampaire fond memories of byene byebalikola byetwalimu era ndafuna mu business schedule yange time nje mbakyalireku official. Neri amasomero agandi gona agafunye omukisa okola presentations, mwebale kutwalayo message etuleese olunaku olwaleero. Mwebalire irala. Mutikandire mu Luzungu kuba nimwe beene abatusomesa. The main reason we are gathered here today is to come up with strategies that will help us in the fight to end teenage pregnancies in Busoga and Uganda at large. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Robin Nandi for creating time to come here and for the commitment that you have pledged to support Busoga Kingdom in fighting teenage pregnancy and improving education standards in the region. I want to reiterate my personal commitment to use our culture institution and leading the way in strengthening linkages among actors and mobilization of all stakeholders to create a critical mass that can fight to end teenage pregnancy and as well improve on the other development indicators such as education, health, and household income, among others. To the Chief Administrative Officers, District Education Officers, and of course, especially the head teachers who are here today, I am pleased to see you in big numbers. This is a very good sign and a great display of commitment. And as all you know, teachers the world over are very important in shaping the future of everyone, including myself as a king. We therefore honor your contribution to nation building and appreciate the efforts you are putting in to shape the children of Busoga and the entire world. As has been articulated by previous speakers, and as well indicated in my letter to the children of Busoga, we are here due to a crisis of great dangers, teenage pregnancies, and high rates of school dropouts. At a personal level, I shall ensure that I take off time to read the feedback that you've forwarded to me today. And thank you for being cooperative within a short period of time. I want to challenge you, all of you in your respective roles, to pause and ponder on what exactly is going wrong in our communities and to innovatively come up with strategies to confront these challenges, causing an ever-increasing rate of school dropouts and teenage pregnancies. As teachers and handlers of children from early years, I have the confidence that you have what it takes to shape children to a mindset of believing in education and to work together with parents to overcome challenges that make children, especially girls, to drop out of school. I am happy and delighted that you have committed yourselves to working even harder on the challenges, and I commit to supporting you in mobilizing the communities and parents, partners, and other stakeholders for a better approach to combating these vices. As already said, we shall work with everyone, especially the relevant arms of government, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Gender, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Local Government, and the enforcement arms, including the private sector and the general community. To the children here today, and all your peers in and out of school, I implore you to listen carefully and heed to the advice of your parents, teachers, and other leaders in your locations. As I wrote to you in my letter after accomplishing my second master's degree, you are cherished. You are our cherished lot, and you hold the future and aspirations of our heritage. Do not indulge in things that will take you off your road to success. Avoid bad influence and focus on your studies until you have gained skills to manage the world. Bad habits like drug abuse and indulging in early relationships will ruin your future. Guard your future by staying in school and working hard to excel in your exams. For the general public, especially the men and boys, I appeal to you to take this campaign very seriously and mobilize yourselves in your villages into advocates of child protection and promoters of education, and also encourage our youth to focus on job creation in agriculture and service industries instead of indulging in affairs that destroy their future. Let men and boys be the pillars of our families and communities. abasada n'empango ekimutakiba. I conclude by thanking you once again, the teachers, the DEOs, and others, including our development partners, especially UNICEF, that I recognize the invaluable work you are doing for choosing to work with the Busoga Kingdom and the collaboration to ensure protection, safeguarding, and uplifting of the standards of our children's education and health, including those that are vulnerable with disabilities, especially in remote areas and urban cities. I once again thank the organizing committee and the Kyabazinga initiatives and all other stakeholders for the great job well done. I look forward to working with you closely, and I'm once again very happy that you've turned up in large numbers. Busoga Esanyu.
Voy a